In this video, we will have a look at 3 ways to remove BIOS password from your Acer laptop. One way to remove BIOS password is by using the software. Insert the pen drive, download the file from video description and extract it. Install HP USB disk storage format tool. Run it as administrator. Select your pen drive, FAT32 file system and tick Quick Format and create a DOS startup disk. Select MS-DOS System Files folder. Click Start and Yes. Next, copy CLN PWD file to the pen drive. Now you wanna boot from it. If you're lucky, you might be able to change boot device by pressing F12. Type dir to see all the files on the pen drive. Type CLN PWD and press Enter. Select the option number 2 to clean supervisor's password. That's it. If you're lucky, your password should be cleared. Another way to clear the password is by shorting 2 pins, also known as a RTS-RST point or a CMOS jumper. Search for your laptop service manual to see where the pins are located. On this Acer laptop, pins are located under the RAM. Find the jumper and short it with a metal tool for a few seconds. Hopefully, your password will be cleared. If the software doesn't work or you can't find a jumper, you can remove CMOS battery. Locate the battery and remove it for 5 till 10 minutes. Put it back and your password should be cleared. On some computers, the battery might look different or it can be even soldered on the board. If it's soldered, unsolder the positive connection for 5 till 10 minutes and after that, solder it back. That should clear the BIOS settings as well as the password. This video is sponsored by MacLeod, your video capture solution.